better performance and productivity. Doosan New Vertical Machining Center, DNM Series. Doosan has the ability of the excellent analysis, design, and the fine manufacturing technology. The DNM series offers high performance and productivity to the customers through this driving force. The DNM series eliminates the stress concentration basically because of the bed and column parts without notches. It makes a 53.5% increase in dynamic stiffness and a 40.8% increase in static stiffness. As a result, the DNM series is able to get the equal machining accuracy in every location. The DNM series feed system with low inertia and ultralight design pursues the high acceleration ability. The improved acceleration ability boosts the productivity, owing to the decrease of machining time in multi-processing parts and 3D contouring machining. The spindle of the DNM series adapts the grease-sealed lubrication system. And the cooling of the spindle as a heat source is dual cooling system consisting of oil cooling method that cools the spindle bearing outer race directly and forced air cooling method. This dual cooling system minimizes the spindle thermal displacement and the head thermal deformation. In addition, the standard of the dual contact tool pursues the high-quality machining surface and the heavy-duty machining. Doosan ImpraCore's DNM series gets standard 30 and optimal 40 tool ports for an unmanned continuous machining of various items and processes. Also, auto tool changer with 1.3 seconds tool-to-tool time reduces non-cutting time at the workpiece in need of frequent tool changes. The Z-axis slide cover designed one-piece type does not require the periodic maintenance. The standard chip screw adopted left and right side makes more easily to do chip disposal. As adopting the four-way screen filter, it prevents the decrease of coolant as increasing of foreign particles. The DNM series CNC is a Pentium-class main CPU. It can be possible to 80 blocks look-ahead function and nano interpolation function. As a result, it performs a 3D contouring machining that is composed of continuous micro blocks at a high speed and a high precision. The Vertical Machining Center, designed to meet the customer demand. Doosan DNM Series.